Peace and blessings, beautiful people. I'm Kareen.
And I'm Betsy, and we'd like to welcome you to
The Pleatery! Today, we are celebrating our favorite hour of the day. Happy hour! We got our frilly shirts on.
Yeah, we do.
We out here. We're ready to serve y'all drinks. Betsy, tell them, please.
Girl, we got 3 different drinks for you
Not
guys
one,
today.
not 2,
3, okay? We're sitting here, we're gonna make, and they're adult drinks. First of all, hold on, let me go into that. It's adult drinks, okay? So hide your kids, hide your wives. It's gonna be for the
21 and up, please.
forward. That's it, 21 and up, definitely so. So you guys are gonna enjoy it. It's happy hour with the Pleatery. Stay tuned.
Take it, just don't deep and live my life. Don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just don't be and live my life. Don't take it personal. We just building. It's my season. Lay foundation. Make a name for generations. Please and make a then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. Hey, hey. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. I'm in a place serene and pure and free. Hey, I ain't worried about what's the wave, only worry about me, yeah. Oh, I'm taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life.
So there you have it. 3 Pleatery cocktails, all right? We have our mango and lemon sorbet Bellini. We have my old fashioned. And then we have this awesome, ready for the summer, cucumber gin cooler. Get into it.
So delicious. Now, if you guys are gonna try this at home, don't forget to tag us on Instagram. And don't forget to use the hashtag #ThePleateryCIY. Even though you didn't cook it, you cooked it yourself, technically.
Yeah.
Now enjoy your drink, and cheers to you.
Please, always remember to eat good.
And stay flexing. Cheers, sister.
Cheers.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. See you next time.